Hi, this is Jim, and I'll be taking you through the August 2023 MES and MV2 release notes. This release has a few new enhancements. We continue to enhance the application with additional new API endpoints, and this release includes API endpoints to allow the update of control plan activation status, to retrieve SQL provider transaction data, and APIs for returning routing grid information and configuration. We also made an enhancement in the WIP workflow to no longer automatically print a move label at the last operation. At the last operation, there is no move label. Therefore, this will be more efficient, less confusing, and it will save on unnecessary printed labels. So when move label is enabled and configured to be selected during the WIP record pieces, the checkbox is no longer available at the last operation and no move label is printed. And this can be seen in the following screenshots. Besides these enhancements, there was also a short list of minor defects that were fixed in this release. So that's our update for today. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through the contact information below.